like this omelet. It's the size of my hand. I thought it was gonna at least be the size of this plate, but you know I love my hot sauce. What hot sauce is this? Let me see. Never had it. Got a few people looking at me like, bro, it's not even that cold. Well, look, I'm from California where the sun always shines, so anything below 50 is cold. No, anything really below 60 is cold. Looks like somebody else is stuck. But I gave up. I put wood out in every which way direction. Ooh. Oh, shit. Hold on. Let me pay attention. Cause the last thing I need is to fall, man. Oh no, hell no. I'm not about to bust my ass in front of all these people. You gotta walk like a horse out here. If you don't want to fall, you better stomp your damn feet. Don't slide your feet. Don't drag your feet. Take big old steps. You better gallop out here. If you want to save yourself from embarrassment and a broken neck, you better step like a horse. You better run like a camel. That's all I got to tread lightly like a cow. For sure. I'm about to bust my ass. Few people have asked me, how does Diesel like the snow? He absolutely hates it. But it's good for me because since it's not cooling me, since it's so cold, he pees and he does what he got to do real quick. Cause he's like, baby, he ain't messing with it. He said, nigga, I'm a pit bull, not a husky. I don't want to be in this. Stop pulling me. I'm gonna beat you in this blizzard. I'm gonna beat you in this blizzard. Just get out of time. I don't hit my dog no more. I used to whip him when he was little. You know, give him a little hit on the tap on the ass when he act up. Let's go over here, dude. Can dogs get sick from like it being so cold? They naked. Virtually, they kind of naked, you know. But I mean, the fur, technically, that's they. Well, I don't know. Oh, he like it. You like it more than I thought, buddy. Look at these in the snow. What the hell? Come on, Diesel. Get out of there. What is that? This snow's deep. Get out of there. What is that? Diesel, something gonna grab you up out this snow. Damn. Come on. Hurry up if you're gonna do what you're gonna do. It's the most wonderful time of the year. My ass. Yeah, right. You're so nasty. Who gonna pick that up? I'm not. It is beautiful out here, though. I will say that. But it's cold than a motherfucker. Come on, run. We need to exercise. Yeah. Go, Diesel, go. Go, Diesel, go, Diesel, go. Go, Diesel, go, Diesel. Yeah. Come on, yeah. Diesel, you think you can get us out this spot, man? You think you can do it? Because I can't. You think you could do it, bro? Diesel is like, dude, does it look like I can do it? Okay, then. I was just asking, dude. Must be nice to be able to move your truck around. I am highly embarrassed, y'all. Everybody pulling out. It's like, this dodo needs a tow truck. Ah, man. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Move! I'm highly embarrassed. Turn your lights off. No, just kidding. Everybody's pulling out of here, but I can't see. I've tried wood.
No traction?
No, I put wood. I even had those pipes. I'm trying to break the ice a little bit. I couldn't get nothing out of there. So
Your trailer brakes releasing?
yeah, they are. I really didn't set them. So
You just need pulled up out.
yeah, I don't know how far you want to pull me. Just enough to get me so I'm not stuck. So all right. Oh man. Well, I was like, that's a nice truck right there, because I was sitting in the back, so I couldn't really see the full truck. So when I pulled out to look, got up to look, I was like, oh, that's the damn tow truck. Let me roll my windows up. Uh-oh, don't tell me. And the saga, and the saga continues. Oh no. Don't tell me this dude is stuck. What you coming to tell me? Okay, all right. I don't think he's stuck, y'all. I'm about to say, if the tow truck got stuck, if the tow truck got stuck, you feel me, Diesel? If the tow truck got stuck, we in a situation. If the tow truck done got stuck, then the tow truck gonna have to tow the tow truck, which gonna have to tow me. What would that be called? I ain't so lonely. I ain't got nobody. Oh, I'm so lonely. Oh my gosh. We in trouble, man. You see the lights? You see the lights? They flashing. Yeah. Them are not ordinary lights. It means emergency lights. Emergency lights. Hey, these will stay still. Smell them fingers, they've been in my ass. Oh my God. 135 miles to my delivery. Damn, I'm thinking to myself, like, man, you should have really called earlier. You probably still could have delivered today. I don't know why I didn't call for a tow earlier. Why didn't I do that? I don't know. Sometimes I just don't be thinking things all the way through.
Do you have your tow pins for the front?
I don't know. I got this truck new, but I don't remember nothing coming with it.
They'd probably be in a box about that big. It's probably underneath your bunk.
But I did get towed once. I don't remember if they ever gave them back to me. I got towed a few months ago. Do you think they would have used them? Probably so.
They probably hooked your axle.
Yeah, they towed it to the shop, but when I went to pick the truck up, I just took the truck and left. They didn't tell me.
Right. Well, that's what I'm saying. They probably forked the axle and they didn't use those.
Oh, got you. You have a different type of truck. I see what you're saying. Got you. Let me look, because when I got this truck, man, it was nothing in it. It was completely empty, and I just transferred stuff from my old truck to this. These windows back look like some. Nah, I thought somebody else was stuck. He's asking, do I have any tow hooks? I'm like, wait, now that I think about it, no, actually, my truck did not get towed last time. When my truck broke down back in September, I actually drove the truck to the shop. I was trying to figure out, like, I never seen this truck on a tow truck, and it wasn't because I never got it towed. I drove it to the shop. So, look, he trying to close the hood. Kenworth's got that little safety thing you gotta pull before you close it. But I drove it to the shop, so, well, I got this truck brand new. There was nothing in it. Like, there was nothing in it. So, whoever tow hooks he's asking for, I know for a fact did not come with this truck, because nothing came with this truck. This truck was brand new. No kind of accessories or nothing. It was just a butt-naked truck. So, I'm not sure, but what I do know, we're gonna get towed up out of here. Then we're gonna head down the road. Hopefully we can find some parking down the road to stop at, because my delivery's not till tomorrow, and the place I'm delivering to doesn't have overnight parking. This is a messed up situation because I'm in a reserved spot, so I could just stay here and got towed in the morning. But the thing is, I don't want to pay for a reserved spot, and then I don't want to wait till the morning and, you know, not be able to get a tow truck on time. So I'd rather just leave now that I have a full clock, get as close to the receiver as possible, and then shut down. If they don't have, it says they don't have overnight parking, but y'all know me. I'll make my own parking in a heartbeat. So I asked him, I said, is there another way that, you know, you can tow it? Is the tow hook the only way that you can do it? He said, no, he'll find another way to do it. It was just easier for the tow hook. So I just hope you don't rip my bumper off. Just don't rip my bumper off. I like my chrome bumper. Get down. Keep. I'm hiding behind my curtain light. Rookie mistake. I'm still a rookie, which I am. Uh-oh. What the hell going on? Oh, he dragging me from back here? I'm nervous. I didn't know he was gonna pull me with a damn rope. I thought he was gonna back the truck up to the truck and then pull me. He pulling me from a rope. I'm embarrassed. I'm just gonna shut up. Hey, how y'all doing? Hey, yeah, I fucked up. Yeah. Shit that ass. I fucked up, bro. So what, bro? It happens. It happens, man. Diesel, don't roll that window down. Look, there you go, rolling the window down by himself. Yeah, I'm a failure. I'm a failure. It would be funny if all this time since my trailer brakes were locked up. He told me to turn it to the left. Press the brakes. Stop. Sorry, I'm a little below. With normal power? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Alright, moment of truth right here. He says to pull out and try to turn out of here. Don't hit me, Tim. Oh, what a good driver you are with that sexy truck. Oh yeah, you see it. You see the armed forces on it. Rolling. Oh yeah, we're moving, Diesel. You see it. Tow truck, tow guy, where are you? I might need you. I don't see him nowhere. Maybe he went to go take a shit. He looks like the shitty kind. Oh no, hell no. Hell no. Alright. I don't know where that guy is, but he did say everything was good to go. So that's good. I don't gotta sign anything. I ain't gotta swipe no debit card. That's a blessing. Wow. We're out of here, y'all. Slide action going on here. Alright, let me put my map on. Let's get set up. Let's get ready for the road. I'm scared to set the brakes. I'm like, damn, if I set the brakes, am I gonna get stuck? Yeah, buddy. All right, y'all, I just found me a little spot here at the QT in Kansas City, Missouri. Man, I think I'm getting sick again. I was just getting over my little cold, but I think that I didn't allow myself to, completely, heal up before I was too much in the cold, you know what I'm saying? Without the proper protection. I feel my throat getting sore again and my head is starting to hurt. So I'm gonna lay it down. I'm gonna call it a night and pick up tomorrow in the morning to deliver this load.